Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about these Linkind light bulbs. I got a 4-pack of these at Walmart for around 20 bucks. I think that's a pretty good price. These are RGB and they are Wi-Fi enabled smart bulbs. That means you don't need to buy a separate hub like you do with the Philips Hue. These work great with your Alexa device or your Google Home device as well. And they're very easy to set up. I had to get an app which is called the AiDot app, and you can control your lights through the app, or you can enable the AiDot skill on Alexa, and then you will be able to control the lights through Alexa. As far as Google Home is concerned, I was kind of surprised. As soon as I screwed in the light bulb, I got a notification on my phone saying that a new Matter device had been detected. And I followed the very quick steps and it set it up for Google Home. I was very surprised and very impressed with how easy that was. Out of those 4 bulbs, I used 2 next to my garage and 1 in the patio. The one in the patio is just set up as a normal bulb. The one that are next to my garage, I have them set to come on every night at sunset. And that's been working perfectly. This is through a routine through Alexa. And I also have them set to turn on if there's motion detected on my Ring cameras. So somebody approaches the house, the lights turn on. And that also has worked flawlessly. The one in the patio also is working flawlessly. So far, I'm very happy with it. With those, I'm very happy with how easy they are to use. I'm very happy with the amount of light that they give you. The one in the patio is replacing one of these old things and gives so much more light. And it's great so far. I'm very, very happy with it. I recommend you check them out. I have links in the description. Hold on just a minute. I'm sorry to interrupt your regularly scheduled programming, but we have a little bit of a hiccup. We have a little problem. The patio light stopped working. The 2 by the garage are still working flawlessly, but the one that I had set up by the patio, just dead. It's dead. It started flickering, then I turned off the light, turned it back on, and never came back on. I tried multiple sockets. It just doesn't work. It's over. So this is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get to test their customer service. Let's see if they have good customer service. I'm gonna email them because my choices are email or phone. I want to use email because I want to keep a paper trace of what's going on. I want to keep a log of everything that's going on with proof. So here's what my expectations for good customer service are. I'm expecting them to get back to me within 3 business days and ask me for proof of purchase, which I will provide, and then I'm expecting them to ship me 1 new bulb, okay? I'm hoping they're not gonna ask me to ship at my own expense the defective bulb. That would be kind of lame because they know I'm not gonna do that for a $5 bulb. So I'm hoping they just send me 1 bulb just like that. If they want to send me 4 bulbs, I'm not expecting that, but I would be okay with it. I will let you know exactly what they say, and I will see you guys in a few days. All right, so I have an update. I did contact customer service. The only way to talk to somebody basically is either through the phone or through an email. I wanted to do it through email because it gives me a paper trail, proof of everything that we talked about with support. So yeah, it's not great. It's not great at all. I emailed them saying I'm writing to report an issue with my purchase. I bought a 4-pack LED light bulbs at Walmart. One of them already stopped working. I give them the product details, and my expectation was that they would ask for a proof of purchase and send me a replacement, you know? So, first answer, the next day, good job, they replied pretty fast. The very next day, they messaged me saying, thank you for contacting us. To locate the issue better, please tell us these details. Make sure that it's the right size, E26, it is. The right voltage, 100 to 120 volt, it is. And can you see the light when it connects to the lamp holder? If not, change to another lamp holder and socket. Will it help? It didn't help. The light is dead. Then they give me some troubleshooting steps to possibly fix it, turning it on and off 6 times. That didn't work. So I replied to them to tell them it didn't work. And 3 business days later, finally, I got another update. And I'm going to show you. Dear Andre, thank you for your update. It is a hardware issue with the light and needs to be replaced. You can get a replacement from the originally purchased shop because we only carry online shop warranty now. Thank you for your understanding. Have a nice day. So there you have it. They don't honor the warranty if it's not purchased through their shop. So to me, that is a deal breaker. Do not purchase those lights. They don't stand by them. They don't honor the warranty. Terrible customer service. You've been warned. Don't do it. Spend a little more, get something better. Let me learn that lesson for you, okay? Don't buy AiDot. Don't buy Linkind products. Bye, guys.